welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be focusing on finding missing angles and sides by using tangent. We're going to show that mastery by scoring at least 80% in class for the next week. Hopefully you have the notes in front of you. If you don't, you got a separate sheet of paper. That way you can take the notes and finish your fresh copy tomorrow. Tangent is the last part of our SOHCAHTOA. And the nice thing about tangent is there's nothing really new to learn. The only difference is it's a different ratio. So for our ratio, it's going to be the tangent. O, just like in sine, still stands for opposite. And A, just like in cosine, still stands for adjacent. And keep in mind, adjacent just means next to. Now, the biggest mistake that comes with tangent is labeling the sides wrong. So the first thing I want you to do every single time you have a right triangle is label your hypotenuse. In this case, my hypotenuse is 13. So you want to make sure you label that, because adjacent is where the confusion happens. And I know we don't need the hypotenuse for this, but label it so it's there. Now, if I look at A, we need my opposite side. Well, if I look opposite, I have 12. And adjacent, or next to it, I have 5. Keep in mind, 13 is next to it, but it's the hypotenuse. That is different than the adjacent side. Now, if I look at angle B, again, opposite, we're going to go across from it, is 5, and then the angle, or the side next to it, is 12. 13 is our hypotenuse, and we don't need it, but make sure you label it each time. That way we know where it is. Now, if we look at the practice problems, number 15, again, make sure before we start any of these that your calculator is in degree mode. If it is not in degree mode, it can give you negative numbers, it can give you real small decimals, it can give you real large decimals. Make sure it's in degree. Now, if we look, again, I want to start by labeling my hypotenuse. Well, because there's no hypotenuse, that means we're using tangent. So if I look at my angle, 21 is opposite from it, and 25 is right next to it, so that is my adjacent. So I have the tangent of my angle, which is x because we don't know it, is equal to 21 over 25. From here, we get x by itself, so I'm going to use the inverse tangent, or tangent negative 1, of 21 over 25. And again, on the calculator, if you look at the tangent line, above it in blue says the inverse tangent, or tangent negative 1. Just hit second tangent, and you will get inverse tangent. In this case, my angle is going to be 40 degrees. If we look at number 16, again, we want to label our hypotenuse first. Well, that tells me we're using tangent. If I go opposite from where my x is, that is 6. 10 is my adjacent side. So I'm going to have the tangent of my angle x, and my fraction is going to be 6 over 10. Now, I know we can reduce the fraction, but we don't have to because we're just going to type it in the calculator anyway. So, to get x by itself, I'm going to use my inverse tangent. And it's going to be the inverse tangent of 6 over 10. Well, in this case, you're going to get an angle measurement of 31 degrees. Now, when it comes to problems like number 17, again, start by labeling your hypotenuse. Well, I don't have one, so that tells me we're using tangent. If I go opposite my angle, that is x. And if I go next to or adjacent to it, that is my a. So from here, I have the tangent, well, this time I have a degree, so it's 75 degrees, equals x over 18, opposite over adjacent. From here, we want to get rid of the fraction, so I'm going to multiply by 18 on both sides. So x is going to equal 18 times the tangent of 75. Well, x is by itself, so we can type that in our calculator now. And you should get 67.2. For the last one, again, if we look at our hypotenuse, we don't have one, so that tells me we're using tangent. If I go opposite 39, I have 49. And if I go adjacent or next to it, I have x. So my tangent of 39 is going to equal 49 over x. We need to get rid of the fraction, so I'm going to multiply by x on both sides. So x times the tangent of 39 is equal to 49. From here, we're multiplying, and the opposite is dividing. So I'm going to divide both sides by the tangent of 39. So x is going to equal 49 over the tangent of 39. X is by itself, so at this point you can type in the calculator, and you'll end up with 60.5. Please bring your notes and any questions you have in class tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you then.